Welcome back to part 2. I have finished making this shelves, so I'll show you step by step what I did. And it took me like 5 days because the measurement were different from one corner to another. And what I did is, instead of painting this, I have put some wallpaper on it. I didn't have the wallpaper glue, so I have used this one. So I've used that one here. And let's watch it. Inside here I want to make some shelves, and I'm gonna cut step by step. I'm gonna cut 4 corners first, 2 for that side and 2 for this side. So let's go and do it. Right, I am facing a problem here because this corner is not same as that corner, right? And this corner is not same as this wall here. And there is a gap between the walls because this wall is not straight. The sizes of all 4 corners are different. So my plan is to install each and every wood step by step, and then according to that cut the middle frames like I did this one here. Like I have put first this wood and that wood, and then I have put this here, and I have put that one there. So it will be same plan for the rest of the 2 woods. So let's go and cut it out. Okay, this frame is ready. But it was very difficult to put on. This wood I have put it in the wall because this is concrete, so it was easy to put in. This I put it in the wall, and that one I put it in the wall. So this part is very strong, and that wood I put it like with the joints. Same here with the joints, same here with the joint. And this side I put the screws in the wall. This is wood, and yeah, it's ready now. See, this is what I was saying, all 4 corners are different, so there is a gap now here between this and this, and there's a gap behind this. Look, so I had to cut each and every wood separately. Normally what people do, they make a frame and just put it in all together with the same sizes, but this all 4 corners were different, absolutely different. It was nightmare. The final part is to cut the sheets and put them in. I'm really tired. I didn't have my lunch as yet. Yeah, definitely this is tomorrow's job. Do it later. Now to put those 2 sheets here, this one and this one, I had to pull out this wood from this corner. I just need to put it back. What I'll do, I'll put some screws here inside in the corners, and it should be alright. And then finally I'm gonna paint it. Guys, trust me, it was not an easy job. I mean, there was a stage when I got exhausted, and I was thinking, oh, just let it go. But then I said, no, I am gonna do it. It became a challenge for me. So that's why I have done it so far. So let's paint it out. But before I leave, I would like to say, don't waste your time with people does not deserve you. Did I say right? Yes, don't waste your time with people does not deserve you. Think of your own life, your own path, your own goals. Concentrate on them and work on them. It's your life. You get one chance to live. So live it in full way. Don't be anybody's slave. Like I have spent all my life for others. What did I achieve? Insult. Yeah. Never mind. I'm not looking back now. I'm looking forward. And I hope that my life will be as successful in future, and that will be because of you, because you guys keep encouraging me, keep subscribing, keep leaving good feedback. So that is what keeping me going on. So please do subscribe me, encourage me, leave your feedback. I love reading your feedbacks. So I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, you look after yourself. Bye bye.